pretty cool in here, man. It's pretty cold. It's about as cold as my dog. This is cool roads and cool rocks and trees and stuff. With the sun back there. The sun in the background, man. Who knows how much time we ever really have? Camera keeps sliding over. There we go. We got, it's like this road was carved. I don't know how they did it. Carved into the rock, I guess. I don't know. There's rock wall on both sides of it. Just, I don't know, man. Just I don't know how they do it. It's so cool. Yeah, this is beautiful out here. The hills, the trees. Almost feels like you're up in the mountains, you know. But you're really just in the hills. There's a bird standing there. It's a big ass. What is that? I don't know what the hell that was. Wild turkey or something? I don't know what the hell. Never seen that kind of bird before. It might have been a pet bird. I think it was a pet bird.